Guys, in this video, we have been asked to draw a square equal in area to a rectangle having the length of 100 millimeter and the breadth of 40 millimeter. So the first thing we are going to be doing right is to draw our rectangle, which is having a length of what? Is having a length of 100 millimeter as we have been showing here. So I'm going to draw a straight line and mark my 100 millimeter. Okay, that's the first thing we are going to be doing. Okay, so let's label that point A and this other point as our point B. All right, so now the next thing we are going to be doing is to draw the breadth, which is what, 40 millimeter. So I'm going to pick my compass and measure 40 millimeter. All right, so this is 40 millimeter on my compass. I'm going to place it at point B. Okay, then strike an arc upward, then place it at point A also. Okay, then strike an arc like this upward. Then I'm going to pick my set square with my t square. Okay, when I pick my set square with my t square, let me make use of this. Pick my set square with my t square. I'm going to draw this upward, then do exactly the same for this part also. Draw this also. All right, then I'm going to join this together. All right, so this is my point C and this is my point D. Now we are going to thicken this out. All right, you're outlining it. You are going to thicken it out because it's also part of the question. So the rectangle is part of the question, so we are going to have to thicken it out. Okay, so now the next thing we are going to do is to extend our line AB. Okay, so let's extend it like this towards this part. Now we are going to pick our compass using the length BC. Okay, using length BC, we are going to extend our compass, then strike an arc like this towards our right hand side like this. So this particular arc is going to be in thin line, and we are going to label this part as our part E. Okay, so now we have our length AE. Now what we are going to be doing is to bisect length AE into two equal halves. All right, so I'm going to place my compass at point E, then extend it more than half of the length of AE. All right, so I'm going to do it this way, like this. Please ensure you are making use of very faint line, okay, for your construction lines. Then I'm going to do something like this, okay, and like this. Okay, so this particular point here where they meet, I'm going to draw my straight line like this. Okay, so that ought to be in thin line. Let's erase it and make use of thin line. Okay, so this is going to be thin line. Okay, so this is in thin line. Okay, take note of that. So after I've drawn this particular line, which is right here, okay, I'm going to be labeling this part as our part F. Okay, we already have our E, then this is going to be our F. Then you pick your compass and take from point F, okay, to either point A or point E, then draw a semicircle. So from point F, which is right here, to point A, okay, I'm going to draw a semicircle which is going to be stopping at point E. All right, so it's going to be in this manner. Okay, so now after drawing that particular semicircle, we are going to extend point BC, that is this line BC, to the semicircle to get the length of our square. Okay, so this is EF, so let's put this part as G. Okay, EFG. So now this particular length BG is the length of our square. Okay, length BG is the length of our square, so take note of that. So in order to get the other four sides which a square have, we are going to take the length BG, okay, then transfer it towards this part. So we can put it here also, transfer it like this, put it here also transfer it like this. So this is going to be GH. Let's make this place our point H. So from point G to this place where those two arcs are intersecting, that's our point H. Let's make this place I, okay? EFGHI. So like this, okay? So this is the square. Let's outline that also. Let's make it thicker. Let me erase this since this one is a little bit thick than it ought to be. Okay, so this is our required square. Our required square is BGHI. Okay, BGHI. So this is the way to derive a square which is of equal area with a rectangle. If you found value in this video, please don't hesitate to smash the subscribe button, hit the like button for the algorithm, and share this video with any of your friends that is going to be needing it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next. Peace.